It's just in through this hole here?
Just in through that hole there.
This one here?
That one there, yeah.
And generating that level of thrust is thirsty work.
Wow, this is pretty cramped.
I'm crawling up into the bowels of the 747 with engineer Phil Taylor. He will spend over 2 weeks looking for leaks inside the aircraft's labyrinth of fuel tanks.
So Phil, this is the main tank here.
We're in the centre wing tank, which is situated between the two wing sections. Above you is the cabin area with the cabin seating.
Okay.
And you're in the forward mid-section of the aircraft, basically. It holds 65,000 litres.
65,000 litres?
Certainly.
And is that all in this bit here?
No, this is one compartment of 6 compartments going towards the rear of the aircraft.
But there's more than one tank on a plane?
There's 8 in all.
So how much fuel are you looking at there across all of it?
The fuel quantity for the whole aircraft is 216,000 litres.
Well, that is massive. I mean, your average size car is what? I don't know, 60 litres, something like that?
60 litres, so approximately 3,500 cars you could fill with one jumbo full of aviation fuel.